Hello guys, this is Paul OM0ET Echo Tango, and this is my following video of the MicroVert antenna. And this beautiful rainy day in the winter time, yeah, we have a rainy day, about 1 maybe 2 degrees plus, so it's pretty cold here, and I'm trying the antenna on my roof. So this is the final place of this MicroVert antenna. Is right next to the hex beam antenna, so I don't know if will do some effect on this small antenna or the small antenna on the hex beam. I don't know right now, but I will do testing, and if I will see some problem, of course I will put down the MicroVert. So you can see here the hardware, like here, and antenna. I tuned the antenna for the SSB portion in 40-meter band. So let me show you how the SWR graph looks like. Okay, so guys, sorry for shaking, but it's really cold and my hands are shaking. This is the beginning of the 40-meter band, and in FM mode is the SWR around 1.6, about 1.6. Now the middle part 7.1. 7.1 is SWR absolutely 0, 1.1, and the upper end of the band is 1.5 or 1.6. So I can to say that the antenna is tuned right in the middle of the whole band of 40 meter. So I think it should working. But I want to line the cable directly to my ham shack. So the cabling is complete, and here you can see the duplexer MX62M. And I use this duplexer because I want to share the one coaxial feed line. It's this. I want to share with the VHF antenna and also with the MicroVert antenna for HF band. So it's mixing both signals into this one coaxial feed line. So here is the one input. This is the input from MicroVert antenna, from choke inside, and also the second input is getting out from the VHF UHF antenna, and here to the duplexer. Okay guys, so finally the antenna is on my roof, and right now I can test the antenna with the ICOM transceiver here in my ham shack. So I'm right now in front of my radio, and I had a couple of contacts today on 40 meters. You can see here on the paper logbook. There are plenty of Italy stations, Russia, Bulgaria, Switzerland, Norway, and WIM from Belgium. So I think the antenna is really working. You can see here the received reports like 5.7, 5.9, 5.9 plus 10, 5.97, 5.8. So I think it's okay with my 100 watts and almost 1.6 meter small vertical. So let me show you guys what is the SWR on this antenna. and then I can do a little test. I will track the whole band on 40 meters, and every station what I can receive I will call, and I will ask for my signal report. So go ahead. Okay, so firstly let me check the SWR on this antenna. The output power will be 100 watts, so full power 100%, and the mode is a switch to RTTY, and I will start on the edge of the band 7.200, and SWR here is here, so about 1.6. SWR on 150, SWR here, so about maybe 1.3, and SWR on 100 is also about 1.3, something more, so almost the same. SWR is fine, and I can use the automatic tuner, but I don't think it's necessary to use it. With the tuner, the SWR should be 1.1. Yes, as you can see here. So let's go trying some QSOs, some contacts here on 40 meters with the new MicroVert antenna. Oscar November 2, Whiskey India Mike, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Nice to meet you, I'm recording contact, over.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango?
Yes, it is me, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, and right now I'm recording this QSO for my YouTube channel. So your signal report in Slovakia is 5 and 9, and I'm testing a new MicroVert antenna, over.
Well, the signal is really great again. It's 52758, and yeah, good lovely signal here in the northeastern part of Belgium. 50 kilometers away the capital Brussels, Paul.
Okay, QSL Wim, thank you very much for the nice signal report. Your signal report actually was 5 and 9 plus 10 dB, or 5 and 9 plus 5 dB. So you have a good signal here in Slovakia. So many thanks for this contact, Wim, and I hope to meet you next time in the future. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango with contact Oscar November 2 Whiskey India Mike, over.
Yeah, QSL Paul, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar November 2 Whiskey India Mike. What's like a Paul, nice to meet you down on frequency, and the setup is really working well. A nice signal and a good audio here in the northeastern part of Belgium. Thanks for the contact, that's 73, and Happy New Year from Belgium, bye-bye.
Okay, thank you Wim, 73, bye-bye.
Ciao, 73, thank you, that's from Oscar OM0ET, thank you for the...
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Very good evening in Slovakia. This is Oscar Radio 1 Zanzibar. Name is Raf Romeo Alpha, Florida, QSL.
Yes, QSL, Raf, nice to meet you. My name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. You have a good signal here in Slovakia. You are a 5.9 plus 5, 5.9 plus 10 dB. And I am testing my new MicroVert antenna, 1.6 meter long vertical only. And I'm recording this contact for my YouTube channel, over.
Okay, Roger, very nice, Paul. Very nice. Maybe I can look it up after the QSO, then I can hear how you catch me
You know, my audio is sounding by your station there, Paul. No problem at all. Your report is about 5 and 8, 5 and 9 with your 1.6 meter long vertical antenna. Running here a Kenwood TS990, Paul, with 5 to 600 watts from the Acom 1000. And the antenna we're using is rotary dipole antenna, about 18 meters above the ground, QSL.
Yeah, very good, my friend. Your antenna is doing really good job. You are still 5 and 9, sometimes 5 and 9 plus 10, so you have a good signal and very clear audio. So congratulations to your working conditions. My informations are on the QRZ page, also my YouTube channel if you want. And I'm running also 100 watts. And the antenna is about 35 meters high from the ground level. So I'm working on the new video with the testing of this MicroVert antenna. So thank you very much for this contact, Raf. I wish you good luck, 7-3, and Happy New Year 2019. Over.
Okay, Paul, thank you very much for this contact. Wish you all the best, 73s. A nice end of 2018 and a good start of 19, Paul. And thanks for the call. Ocean Mike 0, Echo Tango. This is Ocean Romeo 170 bar in Belgium. 73 for now. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. 73. Bye-bye.
73.
K2OD calling 6068.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
The Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Good morning. You're 5-9 in Kuwait City. Over.
QSL, thank you for the 5-9 in Kuwait City. My call sign is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango and the name is Paul Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. You have a great signal, 5-9 plus 10 in Slovakia. And I am testing my new MicroVert antenna, 1.6 meter small antenna only, 100 watts. Back to you.
Okay, very good. Your report 5789. This is your report, and you're doing great with your antenna. We're running 3-element Yagi beam heading all the way to the northwest and running 1500 watts. Over.
Yeah, QSL, it's not very comparable with my small equipment here. But anyway, you are doing really good job, 10/9 all the time, my friend. So, what is your name, please, and your call sign again?
Okay, Paul, my name is Osama, Oscar, Sierra, Alpha, Mike, Alpha, and I'm in Kuwait City, the capital, go ahead.
Yeah, QSL, Osama, nice to meet you again. And what is your call sign? Oscar Delta, I think, over?
The call is 9K2 Ocean Delta, 9K2OD, over.
Okay, I got it, 100%. Thank you very much, Osama, for the short contact, and I wish you 7-3, Happy New Year. Over.
Thanks for the greetings, Paul. Wish you all the best, and to you and your family. Fine business, thanks very much for the call. Have a good day, and 7-3 from 9K2OD, over.
Okay, thank you, 7-3.
We'll try later on in the year, somewhat, but I'm going to try and get the other antenna up first.
Easy America 3, Japan Echo, North America.
You said it just needs to be cleaned up and then reassembled.
India Whiskey 0, Hotel Bravo Yankee, Chapter 3.
Kilometers north of the city of Antwerp.
Va bene, se può seguire Thomas, ogni tanto...
Charlie Mike 8 and Charlie Foxtrot. Florida 6 Echo
6 Italy, Denmark,
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Yeah, Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, I believe. Good evening, Oscar Norway 6 India Delta returning. Usually for the next over name here is Hugo, Hotel Uniform Golf Oscar Hugo. Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, Oscar November 6 Italy, Denmark.
Okay, Hugo, nice to meet you. Your signal report in Slovakia, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, is a 5 and 9 plus 10 dB, a beautiful signal. in Slovakia. I am testing a new MicroVert antenna, only 1.6 meters small vertical, and I'm pushing 100 watt into this antenna. What is my signal or a real signal report, please, Hugo? Over.
Yeah, okay, Roger. I will turn my antenna a little bit to your direction one moment because I'm not really in your direction. The name is Paul, I see it. Can you please come back, Paul, go ahead.
Okay, so yes, correct, my name is Paul. I'm testing a new MicroVert antenna, and this contact is recorded to my YouTube channel, so you can see your voice, hear your voice on my YouTube channel. Back to you for my signal report, over.
Okay, Roger, Paul from Oscar, Norway, 6 Italy Delta returning. Well, your report now is 5 and 9 plus 10. 5, 9 plus 10 with just a little bit QSB, but a very good signal with your antenna over there and a very clear modulation. On
100 watts.
I'm using a Tango Sugar 590 Sugar with Acom amplifier. We are running about 600 watts. My antenna is an OptiBeam. It's a 40-meter monorband rotary dipole. We is about 25 meters above ground, Paul. Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango. Oscar November 6, Italy, Denmark.
Yes, QSL, Hugo. Beautiful signal. Thank you very much for so beautiful signal report. The 10 dB over 9 is really incredible, because I am running only 100 watts and very small vertical on my roof, about 35 meters high over the ground. You have a good equipment here. I'm running 100 watts from this ICOM 7610 transceiver, and that's it. That's my working conditions. So thank you very much for a short contact for real report. I wish you good luck, 73, and Happy New Year, over.
Yeah, okay, Paul from OM6, Italy, Denmark, for the final beautiful copy, very stable, it's wonderful, your small antenna over there. I was just looking to all those nice pictures on your QSF.com page, really very nice, Paul. Well, thank you very much for the nice contact. Wish you a very good evening over there, and of course my best wishes to you and your family for 2019. Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, this is Oscar Norway 6, India Delta, signing off and clear. Bye-bye, Paul.
QSL, thank you, and your audio, by the way, sounds very good, very clear and loud. So 7-3, bye-bye, and good luck.
Yes, it's thanks to my old 42 years microphone, it's a Shure 444, Roger.
Yeah, that's the old school equipment, my friend. Okay, 7-3, and bye-bye.
India, Uniform 3, Boston, X-ray, Ontario, CQ40.
Oscar and Mike 0, Echo Tango. 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 Oscar and Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, Paul, right?
Yes, QSL, my friend. QSL, Paul, is my name, Paul.
Thank you very much for answering my call on 40 meter. Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, India Unite 3, Boston X-ray, Oscar Alex returning. My name is Alex, Alpha Lima Ecuador X-ray. Alex, your serial report is fine. Which propagation? And very weak signal anyway to Europe. And something to Middle East, but it's very difficult. The sun don't work today. Yesterday don't work the sun. Okay, Paul, I give back the microphone for you. Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango. India Unite 3, Boston X-ray.
India Uniform 3, Boston X-ray, Ontario. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Very nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Paul again, it is correct name. And your signal report in Slovakia is 59 plus 5. 59 plus 5. And I am testing a new MicroVert antenna about 1.6 meter long vertical and running 100 watts. What is my real report, please? Over.
The real report is 59 with a QSB, 59 with a QSB. Sometimes I lose your modulation. The signal is between the QSB I listen you on this frequency with a dipole of full size for this band. Paul, I give back the microphone for you for the finally. And all the best, thank you very much for a countdown. Zero, Echo Tango, are you free BXO?
Italy Uniform 3, BXO, OM0ET returning. Okay, Alex, 100%. So thank you very much for this short contact for the real report. And I wish you very good luck, 73, and a Happy New Year 2019. And buona fortuna, ciao, grazie, over.
Grazie a te, Paul, buona fortuna, all the best, and good luck to you and your family. All the best. God bless you. Ciao from Italy, Paul. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Well, so I think the MicroVert antenna is doing a really fine job. Honestly, I'm very surprised that this small antenna is working. Yes, it's working, and I did not expect that the antenna will be working so good for me. Right now I don't have any other 40 meter antenna, so it's still better than nothing for me. So guys, you've seen the 6 contacts on 40 meters with MicroVert. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. Maybe next time I will make small comparison between this MicroVert antenna and between the long wire end-fed antenna, but the end-fed antenna is still not on my roof. I'm still waiting for better WX, and then maybe I will make the another video with comparison. So thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you 7-3 and Happy New Year 2019 for you. 7-3 and bye bye.